Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today we have another product, that is the Smidge Smart LED bulb. It is an RGB bulb which can be controlled from app, and you can get the app on the Apple Store as well as on the Google Play. It can also be integrated with the Google Nest Mini. So today we are going to show you how you can do so. So we will be demonstrating you how you can use the Google Nest Mini to turn on the lights. So I'm going to give command to it and you will see the light turning on. Okay Google, turn on the lights.
Got it. Turning on the divot_bulb.
So now I will be changing its color. Okay Google, change the light color to red.
Alright, changing the divot_bulb to red.
Okay Google, change the light color to violet.
Alright, changing the divot_bulb to violet.
So now I'll be turning off the lights. Okay Google, turn off the lights.
Sure, turning off the divot_bulb.
So now we will be showing you how you can configure it. So if you want to configure your smart bulb with your Google Nest Mini, this is how you can do it. So first of all, you have to install the Google Home app from the App Store or the Google Play Store. Then you have to connect your Google Nest to the Home app, and then you need to add the bulb device. So over here, go into this plus icon. Over here, set up a device. Works with Google. And over here you have a set of different devices that work with Google, means their presets are made with it. So we need to search for its name, that is the Smidge Smart Bulb. Here it is, Smidge Smart Home. So over here you have to log in. So if you don't have an account, you can go to www.mysmidge.com and you can make an account for your own. I am already having one account, so I will be logging in with that credentials. So I have entered the credentials and did the login. So now the device will be added in this. So as you can see, it is showing its name, divot_bulb. This is the Smidge Smart Home bulb, and I need to select the device which I need to add to room. So as of now I am having only one bulb, so that's why it's showing one. If you have more than one, then it will show different. Then add to a room. This is in the bedroom. Next. Okay, so the device was moved to the bedroom and now it will be added to the Google Nest. So as you can see, here it is. You can turn it on or off manually also, and you can also give the command to the Google Nest and it will do the work for you. So this was how you can configure your Smidge Smart Home with the Google Nest Mini. If you have any doubts, you can go to the comment box and post it. We will get back to you as soon as possible. And if you like the video, do subscribe and share the video. Thank you.